Hi everyone, my name is Fred Dapp.
Hey guys, Freddy Thomas.
And we're at the agency in Beverly Hills, and we're actually in Beverly Hills right now to show you our new listing. This place is all about its levels, and we're about to show you each one right now.
Why don't we split apart? I'll go upstairs and you go that way.
All right, done.
Perfect.
So we are on the lowest level of the house right here with a separate entrance. It's perfect for a private office space, an in-law setup. We have beautiful textures and tones around the entire space with its own ensuite bathroom. Also on this level is our custom glass wine cellar, but you should meet up with Freddie, who's just upstairs, to show you the rest of the house.
Okay, so what I love about this entrance is that it feels like an art gallery, and the juxtaposition between the textured wallpaper and the concrete walls is incredible. Why don't you guys follow me to the office? It's light, it's bright. I could totally picture sitting here and being super creative. The great thing about this room is it has this super cool window here that you can open and close. And next, let's go check out the primary room. This room literally has it all. We got concrete, we got glass, it's bright. One of the things I love about this room is the bathroom. It's elevated, it's exposed, and we all know sometimes getting ready in the morning, it's a show, and so this is the perfect stage. I love this room, it's really cool. And next you're gonna meet Fred on the main level and he'll show you around there.
Well, welcome to the main level, where we have lots to show you. One of my favorite things about this level is the scale. These ceiling heights are around 12 feet tall that match these Fleetwood doors that leads out to our first outdoor space, but just behind me is our kitchen. And this open kitchen space is amazing for entertaining.
Fred, I hate to interrupt, but the interiors here are so insane. So Pop-Up Home are best in class. So they've done everything in this house, including this Maraluga sofa here, which is probably one of the most expensive pieces in the house. And this tree here is super cool. This guy's actually 30 years old and close to 11 feet tall. So this is the second outdoor living area here. What I love about this space is that there are so many different entertaining moments. You have this where you can kind of eat and hang out with friends, and then you have that where it's more loungy, separated by this succulent garden. In Beverly Hills, you don't really get this amount of flat space, so it's a really incredible feature.
Freddie, we have one more space to show them. It's the pool. Come on up.
Nice, let's go check it out.
And after a very long day, this is the perfect space for you to enjoy a nice glass of champagne after you take a dip in that pool and spa.
And thank you guys for joining us today.
Thank you. And now, Freddie, why don't we go ahead and enjoy this view with some champagne on top of the world.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?